goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips and work the legs. It's an awesome move if you're trying to drive some rotation in the pelvis, as well as if you have any loss of, on the box leg, external rotation, on the non-box leg, internal rotation. Here's what you're going to do. Get a box and a small, like a DC block or something like that. I'm going to put my left foot on the box, right leg's off, but they're symmetrical, in line. Whatever side is box leg, you want the weight in the opposite arm. You're going to look straight ahead, soft knees at the start. Now what you're going to do from here, after you get a nice exhale, is you're going to drop the weight down. As you do so, you want to sit to the box and unweight like this. So the drop isn't really big, I just let it go from my hand very gently. Like that. Okay? When you get onto the box, you don't want to lean back and let the heels come up. You're going to stay in a slightly hinged position and then come on up. So at full speed, I'm here, drop and catch. Drop and catch. Drop and catch. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.